Hi everyone ជំរាបសួរអស់លោកបងប្អូនក្មួយ For today I'm going to make the garlic stir fry with chicken that here I have a lot of garlic like this garlic I have two of them like this, so it's all about half cup. And for all the ingredients, I have ground black pepper, white or black, it doesn't matter. It's up to you. Fish sauce, sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and cilantro stem. This cilantro stem that made the meat is like more tasty, and the aroma of the cilantro stem is make smell good. And also here the chicken, I use chicken breast. You can use chicken thigh or any part of chicken that you prefer. It's up to you. Also I need dark soy sauce. And before I stir fry, I need to marinate it all the ingredients make combine together, except the cilantro stem and garlic need to fry it first. So this soy sauce, fish sauce, and oyster sauce, sugar, ground black pepper, and some dark soy sauce for color. About half tablespoon, so that the meat that 1 teaspoon. Combine well គ្រឿងទាំងប្រមាណហ្នឹងប្រឡាក់វាឲ្យចូលជាតិមកល្មមមិនបាច់ទុកទេបាច់ទុកផ្អាប់ទេណាហើយឆាយកបដ ாய் ដល់យើងបំពងខ្ទឹមរួចម្ហូបនេះស្រួលធ្វើហើយឆ្ងាញ់ហើយនាងខ្ញុំនឹងមានស្វាយខ្ចីសម្រាប់ផ្ទាប់ក្រៅជាមួយទៀតឲ្យវាមានជាតិជូរប្រៃហឹរស្វាយខ្ចីនឹងម្ទេសដាក់ទឹកស្អ៊ីវដាក់ទឹកត្រីជាមួយស្វាយខ្ចីវាលើចំណូលចិត្តបងប្អូនI need some oil to fry garlic, so a lot of oil.សម្រាប់ខ្ទឹមសនេះបើបងប្អូនចូលចិត្តក្រាំក៏ស្រេចតែបងប្អូនប៉ុន្តែមុខម្ហូបនេះគឺមានខ្ញុំធ្វើរបៀបអញ្ចឹងគឺដាក់ខ្ទឹមទាំងរហូតឆ្លុកអញ្ចឹងអត់បាច់ក្រាំទេអត់មកពីស្គាល់កល ส about golden brown, and then remove from the pot. Pong con mà hòm prương trắng ban chặt sầm rền chính train out the oil. Now I use the same pot. And here need some oil, about 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. For meat, I cut about half inches. One cut it to thin. សម្រាប់សាច់មាន់នេះបងប្អូនកំកាត់ស្ដើងពេកទៅយើងថាទៅវាបែកយើងកំកាត់វាប្រហែលជា1 អ៊ីងកន្លះអ៊ីង No, 1 inch. 1 inch. As you see, I don't add water. The juice come out from the meat, so you don't have to add water. បងប្អូនមិនបាច់ចាក់ទឹកទេណាមិនបាច់ថែមទឹកទេទឹកវាចេញពីសាច់ចេញពីគ្រឿងទៅវានោមស្អិនព្រោះបើយើងចាក់ទឹកទៅវារសជាតិវាមិនដូចយើងអត់ចាក់ទឹកទេឥឡូវនេះដូចជាIt's well done cooked. I add cilantro stem. Turn off the heat. It's ready to serve. Smell so good. Mùi nè, bông ôn làm mùi nè. Now here for garlic. And here I have a green mango. So it's this taste is salt and garlic. So for me, I like to serve it a little bit sour, so it make more tasty. But this is optional. If you don't want it or you don't have in hand, you don't have to worry. So it's I can add soy sauce. But it's your choice. You want fish sauce, it's up to you. But for me, I prefer soy sauce. This spicy. Lần này សម្រាប់សាច់មាន់ឆាជាមួយខ្ទឹមស រួចសពគ្រប់ហើយបងប្អូន I hope you gonna like it I hope you all gonna like this recipe and this is very delicious and very easy to make it បាទធ្វើលឿនណាស់បងប្អូនអត់យើងមិនសូវមានពេលធ្វើម្ហូបនេះលឿនណាស់ហើយឆ្ងាញ់ទៀតហា that's it for chicken with the whole fried whole garlic I hope you all like the recipe and enjoy the video thank you for watching bye bye